Wait a minute, this isn't Cyberpunk 2077. I'm not getting good frames in here, but I'm running this a lot better than actual Cyberpunk 2077. This is really well made too.
Wouldn't believe it. Attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion.
Whoa, that's crazy. Anyways. Can I drive one of these? Yo, I can! Let's fucking go! This is just like Futurama. Well, actually, it's more like Cloudpunk without the shitty voice acting. Okay, that wasn't me, that was somebody else. Wait, hold on, what is my player model? Keep in mind, it's been a while since I played this. It's been a hot minute since I've. It's okay. I'm gonna drive this thing. This time I won't crash into anything. Well. Looks like Blackout didn't do much of anything. Yo, it's a hotel? And a 7-Eleven? I meant to open the door. I don't even know what Blackout's supposed to do. I'll look it up later. Blackout. I guess this is the version I have. Blackout, no shadow people? Excuse me? What? Edited version of Parking Meters Blackout, I take no credit. Wanted to be the scary... What? The effect... The hallucinations? Blackout, okay. Is there a shadow person? Oh, there it is. Right there. It's like, where's Waldo? Well, except easy, I guess. That is awful, terrible thing. Oh, so that's what that does. Okay.
Ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion.
Okay, it's time for you to shut up. Did you see this?
Yeah.
How about you? Did you see this?
No.
Okay, good. Oh, thank God. Everything revolver, huh? Everything revolver. Okay. Cannonball? Is this like the, Why can't I think of the cannon weapon name from Team Fortress 2? Charging? No. Locking? No. I forget the name. Loose cannon! It was called the loose cannon! It was... Okay. Hey, you wanna play a game of catch? Hose? Yo, where my hose at? I'm sorry,
I was thirsty. Thank you so much.
Now, how did you miss? Hello, Mister. Hello, Mister. Mister. Hello. Hello, Mister. Mister. Hey, Mister. Wait, I thought there was gonna be a hotel up here. There's nothing up here. Nothing. I've been lied to. How could you? I've been lied to. Jesus, how fucking far does this thing go?
8 fucking hours later.
Among Us. Rockets, red flares. Damn it. Damn it. There we go. What? Nitroglycerin? I can't pick it up. Oh! 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 Where'd it go? See what else I can do. What? I remember Mug Moment. Uh-oh. Oh. What? How did it explode? Glare? I'm sorry, this isn't the glare, this is the glare. Do anything? Cool. I want a free game. Is that what you meant by that? No? Well, this makes sense for Angel to do this. He seemed really good at blowing. Oh, what the dog doing? Hi. Bye. Goodbye.
Hi, sweet. Do you want to have some fun?
No. Oh, there you are. I'm missing my tram. My tram. My tram. But I can't access music in here. That sucks. I'll put on my own music. Yeah! Yeah! Uh-oh. Well, how much damage does this thing even do? Oh. Oh my god! Well, do you guys think that 7-Eleven is closed? What a lovely house. Ooh. Alright, let's see here. What's on TV?
So what do you say, baby?
Right.
But it's becoming increasingly obvious.
Anyways. What's in here? Ooh, a bedroom! A computer! Oops. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh god. Oh, this isn't my house. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Oh man, I'm making a big fat fucking mess here.
Who fucking destroyed my house? What the fuck is going on right now? What? Oh, shit, where's that? Oh my god! Oh, oh.
Well, thank God no one was in the house. What's this do? Yeah, look, the house is back to normal. What's this? Free... I don't know what that says. Free femboys? What? What the? Bikini Bottom.
SpongeBob me Bob, I put myself in Teardown and I put myself without any clothes. Also, Plankton's the same height as me. And also, Squidward's a dinosaur.
Fuck off, crabs.
Ah, my legs!
It falls right up. Why does it fall right apart? Bye, Squidward. It's long. It's pink. It's a deck. No, no, no. It's Alaskan bullworm. Split down the middle. Right. I guess you could say this worm is half off. What's up? How much damage did you do? Yikes! Go away. Eh.
Superman versus Xenomorph, let's go!
What? Huh, you could take a beating, but can you take a laser? Yes. Oh, laser proof. You like a pup. What? I got him with the why I gotta.
SpongeBob me Bob, I've seen Wire's wife driving the Mach 5. Isn't that crazy?
Shut the fuck up, Mr. Krabs. That's not who he is, Mr. Krabs.
It is now.
What a lovely morning. What the fuck? A Tyrannosaurus Rex! Oh my god, get out of here! Oh, it's moving the foundation of the house! Oh shit. Stop it! This is my house. Stop it. Stop it, you jerk. Stop it. Stop it. Get away. Go away. Get out of here, you. Get out of here. Get... Hey, you big ugly bastard. Get away from my house. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you... Owie, ouch, ow, ow, ow. That's it. God of thunder. We have dinner.
Tyrannosaurus Rex versus Thor!
I knocked this block off. It's like being at Disneyland. Wow. You know what would make this better?
8 fucking hours later.
Yeah. How many people working in Disney been on the island? Well, here's the yacht. Oh, you didn't get the first yacht? Here's the second yacht. Yacht! Sir, the second yacht has hit Disney Castle. Sometimes the world's a better place without horrible corporations. An Apple store? Oh boy! I get to destroy Disney Castle and an Apple store all in one day? It's like Christmas. Oh, I thought I could make it out. Hey, can you believe someone did all this? Thank God it wasn't me. I'm a good Christian boy who would never do anything like this. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Damn it!
What?
I'll tell you on this, Rex!